Imagine walking into a shop in 1846. You want this amazing new sewing machine, but you don't have enough money. What if the shopkeeper smiled and said, "Take it home today and pay a little at a time"? That simple idea still helps us buy sewing machines, cars, even homes today. Let's stitch this story together.
Snowy, this shirt is eating me alive!
Charlie, clothes don't eat cats.
But sewing this by hand would take forever!
Exactly. That's why someone invented the sewing machine.
Let's travel back to discover the sewing machine. Oh! Here we go!
We're in the year 1846. Why does it smell like socks and history? Back then, clothes were stitched by hand.
One stitch at a time?
This is Elias Howe.
I wanted to help people sew faster and rest their hands.
So you made a machine that uses a needle with an eye at the tip.
The needle has eyes? I knew it was watching me!
He placed the eye at the tip to make stitching faster.
Fast sewing? My paws approve!
The needle goes up and down, the thread loops, and the fabric moves.
If only it could sew my homework too.
Up, down, stitch.
Stitch, stitch, soon!
Oh dear. New ideas take time.
Like veggies! Oh no, it's spaghetti thread!
New inventions need practice. This is Isaac Singer. He added a foot pedal.
Hands-free sewing? That's next level! Imagine sewing faster than a blink!
Sewing machines were expensive at first,
I only have 3 coins.
so Isaac Singer introduced a new idea. Families could pay a little at a time. This helped more people afford sewing machines.
Wait, that sounds like how people buy things today!
Sewing machines help make clothes affordable for everyone.
Which means more outfits for me.
Wow, look at all these sewing machines go. It's like a stitching party.
Hello, everyone!
This is how clothes are made today: cutting, stitching, folding, and packing. From one sewing machine to this! Sewing machines change the world.
More clothes for everyone!
Guess how long it took to sew one shirt by hand?
3 naps?
Sometimes days.
I would have quit fashion forever.
Did you know Elias Howe struggled to sell his idea?
But now everyone stitches happily.
Because good ideas never give up. Today, machines sew hundreds of stitches every minute.
That's faster than my tail wiggle.
Some machines even stitch patterns by themselves.
Okay, that's magic.
All thanks to brave inventors.
Would you invent something one day? Wow! That outfit has more sparkle than my whiskers!
Fashion today is creative, bold, and beautifully stitched.
I give it 10 paws!
Designers imagine and sewing machines bring ideas to life. Thank you, Elias Howe and Isaac Singer.
You stitched history together.
This one's done.
Great! I'll get the next one. You're doing great.
This yellow one is next.
Perfect. We're a great team. Charlie, who invented the sewing machine in 1846?
Elias Howe, the needle genius. And Isaac Singer made it pedal power.
Perfect answer.
Snowy, what's next?
An invention that changed how we move forever?
Keep wondering.
Keep discovering.
Bye, friends!